What's up, guys? This is Drew with Drew and Crew, and we are out here at Courthouse Rock, just south of Bridgeport, Nebraska. And we're going to try hiking to the top of this thing and seeing if we can get some cool drone shots. So let's get started. Well, folks, we made it to the top of Courthouse Rock. That was fairly difficult. I'm not gonna lie, we're not exactly sure how we're gonna get down. I'm sure we'll get it figured out, but it's pretty cool scenery up here. Check it out. Alright guys, it's time to try heading down this thing. However we're going to do it, none of us are very sure, so this could be an adventure in itself, but we'll see you down there. What's up, everybody? All right, well, we made it down. We found couple new paths coming down that made it much easier. I wish we'd have saw those going up. Pretty fun. Definitely think we're going to do this again. Thank you guys for watching. And if you like the video, be sure to hit subscribe. We'll be posting videos weekly, so if you're interested, make sure you hit that bell icon so it reminds you every time we post a video. We will catch you next time.